Welcome back. With fall in the air, many of us starting to notice the transition to those from the summer fruits and vegetables to all of the fall harvest. We're talking those root vegetables. We're talking some of the best stuff in the farmers markets and grocery stores. Squash, apples, they're sure to make everybody happy around the dinner table. Here to share more of with healthy fall recipes, Elizabeth Suvedi. She's the culinary medicine manager at Spectrum Health. Elizabeth, thanks so much for being with us.
Thanks, Michelle. Glad to be on today.
All right, so we are talking butternut squash today. So this happens to be one of your favorites to work with?
Yes, well it's fall, and I think oftentimes people get very intimidated by butternut squash. They feel like it's big, it's going to be difficult to cut, and so we're just here to tell people like it does not need to be complicated. It can be very easy, and just want to share some of those tips with people today, as well as share a delicious recipe.
Absolutely, and cutting it really, that to me is the hardest part. You really have to have a great knife.
Yeah, definitely you want to have a really nice, we always tell people no matter what you're cutting in the kitchen, you want a sharp knife. That's very safe. Oftentimes people think it's going to be more dangerous, but it's actually better. So having a nice, sharp chef's knife is ideal. And with a butternut squash, what I'll often do is just slice it right down the center. And then that's where I find a grapefruit spoon is key. It's got those nice serrated edges. And then I'll use that just to carve out those seeds that are inside. It's just very easy to scoop it out. And then I'll just roast it in the oven, laying kind of flat side down. And the nice thing with butternut squash is it has that natural sugar in there. So when it gets really nice and hot, those sugars caramelize, develop that deep flavor. And again, this is where I'd use my grapefruit spoon to just scoop out the inside, and it comes out really nice and easily. And you can use that as a nice puree for a soup, or maybe in this case, we're going to show you how to make a hummus out of it.
I love that. And so when you're roasting this, I mean, you have parchment paper. Do you put anything else on it?
Nope, that's it. You don't need anything else. You just put it kind of cut side down, and it just naturally will steam from the heat, and then at the end you'll just discard or compost that peel at the end, and that's it. So
okay,
it's super easy.
It's so easy, and then you can use that squash, that roasted squash, and you're gonna make some hummus.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna let you do the cooking today.
Okay.
So what you do is just, we roasted some butternut squash ahead of time, and so we'd put that in a little food processor.
And you snuck a little garlic in there too.
Yes, a little garlic. We roasted that garlic as a nice little flavor and depth of flavor there. And then also we'd put some chickpeas in there.
Yes,
this is the base. There's so much fun playing with hummus. You can do all different flavors. This is a great fall recipe. And then to add a little acid, we'll add some lemon juice in there.
That's lemon juice.
Yep, the lemon juice is there. And then as a liquid, you can just use the aquafaba that comes from the chickpeas. So you can put that in there as kind of another liquid to help.
The chickpea juice.
The chickpea juice, yes. We've got some tahini for you. Tahini is ground up sesame seeds. It kind of adds that natural fat in there. That little umami flavor. And finally, because it's fall, we're going to put some fall spices in. We're going to put some nutmeg, some cinnamon, and put the cloves in there, a little bit of salt and pepper. And all we would do, obviously today we're on TV, so I'm not going to make all the noise, but just blend it up. It's done. And thanks to our movie magic, we do have a finished product here.
Love that.
And so this is a great example, kind of a grazing platter you could put out for kids or families, where it's just kind of very approachable. Come up, grab the hummus, whether it's some crackers or some vegetables or some dried fruit. Just a great way to have some snacks around the house.
Love that. I mean, and so simple, so easy. You guys are trying to make it easier for people to use these fall harvest foods. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so we have an upcoming class. It's actually this week. We'd love for people to join us. We have openings. It's virtual, so it could be for anyone, anywhere in the world that can join us. And those are offered through our Spectrum Health Lifestyle Medicine classes. It's called Fall Favorite Recipes, and we're going to just together, a chef will guide people through making some delicious recipes. And when class is done, they'll have some great foods to eat as well.
Love that. And explain to us why it's so important to eat what's fresh, what's being harvested right now, going to that farmer's market and hitting up what's there.
Yeah, well, and we're lucky you mentioned farmer's market. Like, we locally have so much great produce right now, right? Going to the apple orchards and picking your own apples. You know, when you can really eat locally, one, you're supporting local, but also that food is harvested at peak ripeness. And so you're getting really that top nutrition as opposed to having it shipped across the country and, you know, months later you receive it. The nutrition value kind of goes down, and so you're really getting that top nutrition. And this is the kind of stuff we want to be eating, right? Filling our plates with the fruits, vegetables, and produce, and kind of crowding out that other stuff that we know isn't so good for us.
Yeah.
So this is stuff that's going to fuel us into the fall season, winter season. We're all going to have healthy immune systems. And we also have an in-person class we'd love to see people come in for. That's October 19th. I'll be leading that class as a chef and guiding people through some recipes around the world. So a lot of international cuisine. I've traveled a lot around the world, and so bringing a lot of different diverse flavors into that class. That's in the downtown market teaching kitchen. So,
Love that. Okay,
yeah.
and so people want information, they can just head to the website too for
Yes,
that.
for people who are ready to get out of the house, people need to like get out of the house, do some fun cooking together, meet some new people, and just have a lot of fun together.
There's nothing better than a cooking class.
Yes,
That is just
yeah.
such a fun way to interact. You obviously meet people who are interested in the same things you are.
You see all different personalities come out in the kitchen. Those that follow the recipe to a T, and those that are like, I got it, I'm doing my own thing.
Start throwing things in, be like, I got this.
Yeah,
All right. Anything
yeah.
else you want to add? Anything else people need to know about, using fall foods to their own benefit?
I think it can be really simple, right? A lot of it just goes back to the basics of stocking your pantry and your refrigerator. So making sure that whatever day you might have some free time, go to the grocery store, go to the farmer's market, go to the apple orchard, and just get some things that you need in your house so that when you're hungry and starving or you're in a hurry, you can grab those apples, you can grab those sweet potatoes, throw them in the oven maybe while you're getting ready for something else to go to in the evening, so that it really is simple. And it does not need to be expensive. Produce is very inexpensive. And so I think that's another thing people need to think about, is that it saves on the pocketbook as well in terms of your overall spend.
Absolutely, especially when you go to the farmer's market and you're
Yes.
buying it right then in
Yes.
season.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
Elizabeth, thank you so much. Of course, if you want to get into these cooking classes, you want to go online, take that virtual class, go to spectrumhealth.org/culinary medicine. Can't wait to taste this hummus.
Yeah.
Yum.
Yes.
We'll be right back.
Wonderful. Thank you.